Hi, my name is Alina. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and in today's video, we will look at two distinctive approaches that can define your business. The first one is volume selling, which refers to selling a large quantity of low-priced items. This involves selling products at a lower profit margin with the goal of making up for it in volume. The advantage of this approach is that it can generate a steady stream of income, and the high volume can help build a huge customer base. Volume selling can be a good way to generate consistent revenue, but it requires significant resources to manage inventory and shipping, as well as lots of attention and effort. So you better have a lot of time to dedicate to your business and a big space to put your inventory in. If you want some organizing tips on that, please check the video linked on the screen. Here are some general tips on where to find low-ticket items in bulk to resell, should you choose this option. My first suggestion is wholesale websites. Look for websites that offer wholesale deals on various products. Some well-known wholesale websites include Alibaba, DHgate, AliExpress. Temu right now is really up and coming, and they have really cute stuff for very inexpensive. Then you have the online marketplaces like eBay, ThreadUp, Goodwill, Bluebox.com to find low-priced items that you can purchase in bulk and then resell. You can also check out the Facebook marketplace or local buy-sell groups in your area, or even dumpster dive if you want to keep your cost of goods at zero. Another resource is liquidation sales. Try attending liquidation sales where stores sell off their inventory at deep discounts, and you can often find low-priced items that you can resell for a profit. Number 4 is the thrift stores. You can visit stores like Goodwill, Salvation Army, Savers to find low-cost items. The Goodwill outlet, as known as the bins, will sell clothing, shoes, toys, and books by the pound, but you'll have some digging to do, and I recommend using gloves. You can purchase items in bulk in all these places, clean and sanitize them, and then resell them for a profit. If you need more details on how to resell, see the video linked above. Number 5 would be garage sales or church sales. You can find low-priced items that you can resell. People often sell items for very cheap, and you can negotiate prices for bulk purchases. If you don't know where to find these garage sales or church sales, ask Mr. Google. On the other hand, big-ticket items refer to high-priced items that are sold at a higher profit margin. While the volume of sales might be lower, the profit per sale is much higher, which can result in a higher overall profit margin. However, big-ticket items might require more effort in marketing and sales, since they typically have a longer sales cycle and might require more convincing to sell. Big ticket items require more intensive marketing efforts, but each sale can be incredibly profitable. If you are looking for high-end designer items to resell legally, here are some options. The first one is consignment shops. Many consignment shops specialize in high-end designer clothing and accessories, and you can find items like top brands like Chanel, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton, and any other that you know, high-end, at a fraction of their cost. The second one would be estate sales, which I love. And estate sales are a great place to find vintage and high-end designer vintage items. And you can look for sales in affluent neighborhoods or search online for estate sale listings. Number 3, and a great resource, is the online marketplaces. Websites like eBay, Poshmark, and TheRealReal.com are popular destination for reseller. You can find authentic designer items from sellers around the world. Number 4, outlet stores. Many designer brands have outlet stores that sell overstock or discontinued items at a discounted price, and you can find high-end designer items at a fraction of their retail price, brand new with tags, which helps a lot when reselling. Number 5, and the last one in our video, I'm sure there is much more out there, you just need to research a little bit on the internet, is the liquidation companies. Some liquidation companies buy overstock or returned items from high-end retailers and sell them at a discounted price. You can find designer items at a lower cost than their retail price, and remember, it's important to do your research and ensure that the items you are reselling are authentic and legally obtained. So if you have a reselling business, please remember to keep a proof of purchase for taxes purposes. So the dilemma for resellers comes down to choosing between the two approaches. Ultimately, the choice might depend on the reseller's goals, resources, and target audience. Whatever you decide your business model will be, please don't forget to treat your customers with the same respect you want to be treated. Be honest and take pride in your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up and the notification bell on the bottom, and I will see you next time. For more tips and tricks on reselling, please watch the next suggested video. Bye!